Want me to run her? I can run her.
No, that's plenty. We don't need about 2 or 3 minutes. That's plenty.
Yeah, because I stopped and recorded some other ones.
Not supposed to be without a shirt.
Here, Maddie. Maddie, I'll just let me run her right quick. You can pause it now. Let me run her right.
I want no more now. It won't send right. You get too much.
I stopped it. I was stopping it and starting it.